Divs are yet another very important part of CSS development and are represented by the div tags. In order to understand the function of a div, let's refer back to the web page we developed using tables. When we created the web page, all the content, including text and images, were nested in table cells. As we determined, we did not have much flexibility in the positioning of these objects within the cell, or the table itself for that matter. Divs are similar to table cells in that they contain content such as text, images, or media objects. The key difference is that divs offer a much higher degree of customization in formatting and positioning. This includes things like rounded corners, transparency, layering, and complete flexibility in positioning down to the pixel. Before we begin this tutorial, please open your text editor and set up your basic HTML page structure as shown. Save the file as div.html on your computer. Now let's go ahead and create a div in our document and fill it in with some basic text content. We will create the div in between our open and close body tags. The open div tag requires a closing div tag. The content in between the opening and closing div tag will be displayed in your browser's content area. Now let's go ahead and save this file and preview this in our web browser. So here we can see the line of text we inputted into the div. You can think of it as a line of text contained within a single table cell. If this were a table, the table would have one column and one row, equating to one cell. We haven't done any CSS formatting to this div, and we'll be exploring that in the next lecture.